In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Stubhub gift card. If you've received a Stubhub gift card and want to use it for future ticket purchases, the process is pretty simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add that balance directly to your Stubhub wallet so it's ready to use when you check out. To get started, go to Stubhub using either the website or the mobile app. Once you're there, sign into your Stubhub account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before redeeming the gift card, because the balance will be added to that account's wallet. After signing in, head to My Account. This is where Stubhub keeps your account settings, order details, and payment-related options. Inside that section, look for Wallet and open it. Your wallet is where available credits, stored value, and other account balances are managed. Once you're in the Wallet section, find the option labeled Redeem Prepaid Card or Add a Code. The wording may vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the website, but both options are meant for the same purpose: adding your gift card value to your account. Next, enter your 16-digit gift card number along with the PIN. Be careful while typing both fields, since even one incorrect digit can prevent the card from being accepted. If you're copying the number from a physical card or email, it helps to double-check everything before moving on. After that, click Redeem or Add to submit the gift card information. Stubhub will then process the code and apply the value to your account. Once the redemption is successful, your gift card balance will be added to your Stubhub wallet. From there, you can use that balance on future purchases when buying tickets through Stubhub. This is a convenient option because it stores the value in your account, so you don't have to re-enter the card details later. If the card doesn't go through right away, take a moment to confirm that the number and PIN were entered correctly and that you're signed into the intended account. Small entry mistakes are one of the most common reasons a redemption doesn't work on the first try, and that's all there is to it. By signing in, opening My Account, going to Wallet, selecting the Redeem option, and entering your gift card details, you can quickly add your Stubhub gift card balance and have it ready for your next purchase.